Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Friday, December 9th. It is the 343rd day of the year. There are 22 days left. Happy National Pastry Day.
National Pastry Day celebrates one of the world's most favored baked goods. On December 9th, visit your local bakery and pick up one or two of your favorite kinds. The pastry is a name given to a large variety of baked goods which are made with ingredients such as flour, sugar, milk, butter, shortening, baking powder, and eggs. Pastry dough is rolled out thinly and then used as a base for different baked products. A few of the more common bakery items include pies, tarts, and quiches. Bakers create both savory and sweet dishes from the doughs they create. Additionally, they continue to develop new and delicious creations all the time. Culinary historians often consider French pastry chef Antonin Carême to have been the original great master of pastry making in modern times. Many different types of pastry deliver baked goods that make our mouths water. Most of them fall into one of the following categories: a short crust pastry, a sweet crust pastry, flaky pastry, puff pastry, show pastry, or phyllo pastry. Get baking. Choose your favorite recipe or look one up on the internet. Just be sure to get some pastry in your belly today. Today is also Christmas Card Day, Lost and Found Day, National Llama Day, and Techno Day. Okay, National Dayers, today we're going to make a pastry called a Palmiere, and these are super easy and super delicious. So gather the following supplies. You'll need thawed puff pastry sheets, sugar, I mixed cinnamon with my sugar, and a baking sheet. And that's all you'll need. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is on the surface you're preparing, you're going to sprinkle your sugar on there. And like I said, I added cinnamon to mine to make it extra delicious. And then you're going to lay one of the puff pastry sheets over the cinnamon sugar and kind of pat it down to make sure that it sticks to the dough. And then from the bottom, you're going to fold the dough up to about the halfway point. And from the top, you're going to fold the dough down to about the halfway point. Sprinkle some more cinnamon and sugar, and then fold it the same way again. From the bottom, fold it in half. From the top, fold it in half. And then you're going to kind of squeeze the whole thing together like a taco. And then, using a knife, you're going to slice it into about 1/4-inch slices. Then each of those slices, you're going to tap both ends into your remaining bowl of sugar to get it all coated and sugary. And then place those slices on a baking sheet. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 14 minutes. And then flip it over and bake it for another 7 minutes on the other side. And those are Palmieres, and they're light and fluffy and delicious. Great job, National Dayers.
I'm pretty proud of this one, National Dayers. So, cool story. These cookies are Mrs. Erickson's, my mom's, Mrs. Erickson's mom. Let's call her Grandma E. These are Grandma E's favorite cookies, and she buys them at Costco all the time. And guess what? I can make them for her now. What a cool surprise, right? Oh, I just gave it away because she watches my show. Hi, Mom. All right, National Dayers, keep smiling. Have a fabulous Friday. Eat a pastry today. A donut, a cake, a cookie, a brownie, a Palmiere. Whatever you have, get a pastry in that belly today. Keep smiling. Have a fabulous Friday, an amazing weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye. Ooh, they're so light and fluffy.
It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Shoutouts today start us off with Miss Chavez and everyone in the high school functional academics program at Hutto High School in Hutto, Texas. Next up is Mrs. Coker and everyone in the vocational and life skills class at the STEP program in Bolingbrook, Illinois. Third up today is Mr. Tyler, Ms. Jocelyn, and Miss Sue and everyone in the middle school autism support program at the day school at the Children's Institute in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Fourth up today is Mrs. Jingaleski and everyone in the VIP 2 Functional Academic and Pre-Vocational Skills Program, grades 9, 10, 11, and 12 at Herrick's High School in New Hyde Park, New York. And circling back to Herrick's, we also have Miss Steinert and everyone in her 9th grade VIP 1 Life Skills Program at Herrick's High School in New Hyde Park, New York.
Ring-a-ding-ding!
Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. I hope you loved your shout-out. Teachers, if you'd like to get your class a shout-out, just complete the Google form. The link can be found below this video in the description. And here it is, our updated, super spectacular shout-out map.